Hi, I'm Lorna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I do Stitch Fix reviews, mostly Stitch Fix reviews. I used to do Wantable reviews as well. Sometimes I review my Love Every boxes that my son gets in the mail. I think that's pretty much what I do on my channel. Every now and then I experiment with like rando makeup products that I find in my bathroom, but this is pretty much it. So thank you for joining me, and right away let's just jump right in because I have makeup on today, so let's do the dang thing, right? This is the first item from my May Stitch Fix. It is this striped crop top. It's pretty cute. I'm still feeling a little weird about showing my stomach, but that can, I guess, be worked around. It's not like super revealing. There's a mirror over here just reminding folks because I'm gonna look over a lot. I'm just like, I don't know, like I'm a mom now, and there's like the old me that was like, wow, crop tops, and now there's like the mom me that's like, is that appropriate? Which I hate the fact that I'm thinking that way, because who cares if it's appropriate? I should wear what I like, right? I don't know if I would ever wear this. It is cute. It's comfy. This is the outfit that I put together based on the little, this little thing that they send that has the outfit suggestions, and one of them was, some jean shorts. And these are jean shorts that I got from Stitch Fix, so hey, cool. So, ta-da! I guess those are kind of my thoughts about it. It's cute. I probably won't keep this. I just feel very like insecure about my stomach showing. First outfit, striped crop top with a little fake knot in the front. Not too shabby. This is item number 2. It is this sheer rainbowy halter top. I don't have a good bra that I can wear with this. I have a nude strapless bra, but it's like, I don't think it would work. It's very see-through. I can't wear this without something. I might have some pasties, I guess. I could wear it with pasties. I didn't think I was gonna like it. That's why I'm talking about this, because I saw how see-through it was. I was like, I'm not gonna like this. I'm not gonna like this at all, but it's pretty dang cute, don't you think? Paired it with some white jeans, also from Stitch Fix again, haha. This is the top. This, really, really cute, sheer, summery rainbow top. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I do. I do like it. It's got the little little button clasp right there, little keyhole thing, if that's what that's called. It's nice. I like it. Didn't think I was going to. That should work, right? Right. I can't believe I forgot to talk about this, but Stitch Fix did this thing before my box came that's totally new. I was able to look at the items that they were gonna choose from to put in my box, and I was able to select the ones that I wanted. And I only selected 2 items from, like, I can't remember exactly how many items. I think there were at least 12 or 15 pieces that I could choose from to go into my box, and I chose 2 pieces, and the deal was if you didn't choose 5 items from the selection that they had made for you, that they would pick out other stuff that was different. And this was one of the items that I chose. It is a crop top. I know, after I did that whole big spiel about how I'm weird about my stomach, I am, but this one, like, it covers, I don't know, it just doesn't feel as, like, revealing or as, like, whoa, here's my stomach, you know? I don't know. The armholes are a little big, you know, it is a little big. This is the smallest. I think it's supposed to be, like, oversized, and that's fine. It feels like maybe the material, it has like an athletic wear kind of feel. which would be fine. I paired it with some tried and true black joggers from American Eagle. Pretty comfy. They, I like the color. It does have a little front pocket here that's nice. I think I would be more inclined to keep it if I thought it would shrink like just a little bit in the washing machine. And this is not the kind of material that's gonna shrink. It's just not. It's cute. It's comfy. Like, it's so hot already right now in New Orleans that like all of these like loose fitting things are just so amazing, because you just don't want things touching your skin right now. It's just too hot. Anyway, this is this outfit. I don't think, once again, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep this top. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Psych, I didn't change. I did change. I put different pants on. That's because the next item are these pants. And I'm gonna go ahead and tilt the camera down so you can see them a little bit better, because the star of the show right now is not this shirt, but these boyfriend jeans. Because I asked them not to send me any more skinny jeans, because you know why. I asked for like linen, like if they had any like linen pants or slacks or something, and they were like, not right now, but we've got these awesome boyfriend jeans. I'm gonna show them to you. Give me just 1 second. Okay, not the most flattering angle of I've ever set up, but here we go. So here are these boyfriend jeans, and I didn't bother putting any kind of outfit together, because they are like gapey, kind of huge. I'm just not into belts right now. I don't want to wear a belt. I'm carrying my son around all the time. He's living on my hip. I don't want to wear a belt. These are, I don't even know if I would keep them if they did fit. I just think these are just like so terribly unflattering on me. I have no problem with like non-skinny jeans. I was so late to the skinny jeans party, but like these, the boyfriend jean, I don't even know what that means. I don't like them. I rolled them up at the bottom. They're yuck. I'm not going to keep them. So hiya. Wait, hiya. That's not gonna work. Doesn't matter. Anyway, this is so I mentioned that there were 2 items that I chose from the selection that they gave me before they packed my box, and it was these shorts. These linen shorts. They're very, very comfortable. They look kind of, from where I'm standing and looking at my little, cheat screen over here, they kind of look olive green, but I mean, they're really, well, they might be olive, I don't know. I thought they were kind of like a dark gray. I didn't put a very cute outfit together, but these shorts are super comfortable. They're an elastic waist plus a drawstring, 2 huge pockets in the front, 2 functional, pretty decent sized pockets in the back with little button closure. They are very just like nice and loose and cool and breathable. They sit, kind of like right at my belly button, but with the elastic and everything, like, they're comfortable. They're really comfortable. Doesn't matter where they're sitting, does it? They're just really comfortable, and I am absolutely going to keep these. I don't have to keep anything else. I'm still doing Style Pass. I don't have to keep these, but I want to keep these. These are really, really great. They're perfect. They're just what I was looking for. Yeah. I was acting like I was gonna go to a new screen or something, but I'm just going to continue right here because we are all done. Those were my items. I love these shorts. I really like that. I hope they keep this function where you can look at the items they're gonna pack in your box before they send it, so that you can pick out the items that you like best, because then, that really benefits them in a huge way. You're more likely to keep the items in your box if you can sort of hand pick what you want to try ahead of time. I think that's really, really smart on their part. I hope they keep it. I hope it works for them, because I really liked it. I'm probably not going to keep the crop tops. Like I said, it doesn't matter. The thing I am keeping are these shorts. I want to thank you guys for joining me. Please subscribe to the channel. This is kind of how I do things, sort of chaotic and like off the wall, and I don't know if you can hear my child screaming downstairs, but he is. La, 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 la. You can find me on Instagram, and you can find me on Twitter, and you can subscribe and follow me there and interact with me. That would be cool. You don't have to, but it would be cool. Please subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me your thoughts in the comments, and I'm just really glad that you're here, and please come back next time. I will see you later.